in this video, we will guide you how you can print your barcode by using your Windows computer. So there is some different step to print it while using Windows computer. Let me show you how you can do it. So you need to click on this print command after going ahead and generating the entire barcode, as we do have a separate video for that. So click on this print command. Now this page will get opened and a pop-up will get opened of the print command. Okay, please check. This is a print dialog box. So you need to go ahead and select print using system dialog. You can use Control plus Shift plus P as a short key as well in order to open it. So I will open it. Now, please check, here is the printer selected. So this barcode printer will be set up for the very first time by your technician or the barcode printer provider. So you need to go ahead and ask them to set up it for the first time, and then after you can go ahead and select it. After that, you need to select the preferences. In this, you will get the page setup option. In page setup, while setting up the barcode, so you can go ahead and ask your printer provider to set up your page. So they will go ahead and add a custom page for the barcode print. So here I have already defined it, select it. Then after selecting it, you need to click on OK. And after that, you can go ahead and select all and click on print in order to print it, or you can use the pages option to go ahead and print it. Once I will go ahead and click on print, so the barcode scanner will print the desired barcode. I hope this video will be helpful to you while using Windows computer for barcode printing. Have a good day.